Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. It's time for another 52 layouts of our favourite 52 photos throughout the year of everyday life. So these are the photos that you normally don't scrap, but they're our favourites for every week of the year. Now I think I'm up to week 5 actually. I am still running behind, but I plan to catch up. Anyway, week 5 is some scones that I made. It's been a long time since I made scones. Decided to make some. They're absolutely delicious. So that is my photo for week 5. And if you've been following along with my layouts for this series, I think they've all been food related just about. So, and I know next week's is as well. Anyway, so I am also scrap lifting today from Helen Ding. This is her gorgeous layout that she did. I watched a video just this morning actually where she did this layout and I really like it. So I am going to scrap lift this, and mine is going to be a little bit different. Mine's like the bright colors like that Helen normally uses. Mine's a little bit more muted, but it will be definitely a scrap lift of her layout. And the reason I'm doing that is, besides the fact that I love this layout, is my mojo has decided to rack off. And yeah, so I don't know where it's gone. It left me, I don't know, a month ago. And, you know, I was watching something this morning. 52, no, 52. The 42 and Market new releases this morning. And I could feel it peeking around the door. And I thought, well, you know, maybe it would come back if I did a little bit of scrapping. And then I tried to, and then went, no, that's not working. So then I thought, well, let's watch some videos, and that will hopefully bring my mojo back a little bit more. And we will see, because this is the first layout that I've been inspired to do since I started watching the videos this morning. So we shall see. Alright, so I'm basically going to follow Helen's layout and, you know, where she has her embellishments and things like that. And we'll see how it turns out. So I'll be back at the end with the completed layout and have a little chat about what I've used and where I put things and all that sort of stuff. So enjoy. Okay, there is my finished layout. Looks nothing like Helen's, but you can see where I took the inspiration. The biggest difference is I had one photo and she's got two smaller ones, but I've still got the layers of paper and the clusters of embellishments. I've used hearts like she has. I've used an arrow and a banner like she has, so you can see where I got my inspiration from. If you have liked this video and this layout, please hit that like button. If you are not a subscriber, please consider hitting that subscribe button as well. And make sure that you hit that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. There will be a playlist below for the 52 everyday photos, and also a link to Helen's channel so you can go and support her. She creates some amazing, gorgeous pages. So make sure you pop over and show her some love. Thank you so much for watching. Have a scrap happy day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.